This is a review of the Hestan CopperBond 10-piece set, the most premium cookware I have ever cooked with. This cookware is made out of 5-layer, high-grade 1810 stainless steel and a pure copper core for the best conductivity and temperature control. The set retails for about $1,200 and it combines beautiful traditional copper with a modern design and also modern materials. It's also induction friendly and made in Italy. Chefs love cooking with copper for its heat conductivity and even cooking, but copper cookware is reactive with alkaline or acidic foods. But what Hestan has done by combining the copper and the 5 bonded layers of stainless steel, aluminum, and copper, cooks can enjoy the best of both worlds. Cooking with Hestan CopperBond has been a dream. Everything cooks so evenly. When I turn down the heat, the pan immediately reacts. That means chicken browns evenly, and even the most delicate fish fillets never overcook. Also, the stainless steel material allows me to cook acidic ingredients without a metallic taste. I made some roasted tomato sauce by roasting some tomatoes with garlic and fresh herbs in the oven, 425 for 20 minutes. I pureed with a hand blender, or you can even just use a mashed potato masher. Then you'll simmer until the sauce is thickened. The pan's even heating and reactiveness means my homemade tortillas came out perfect. Over time, stainless steel cookware always needs a little bit of TLC. Take care of your cookware. After weeks of use, the Hestan CopperBond needed a good cleaning to restore its luster. All you have to do is rub a little bit of copper cream on the pan. Rinse, and then buff with a microfiber towel. And it is back to beautiful. You can find the Hestan CopperBond at hestan.com or at Williams-Sonoma. It is an ultra premium set priced at $1,200, but it will truly last you a lifetime. This is definitely my dream cookware set.